It's the Weather Extreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, the 24th of May. Alabama's weather will stay hot and dry tomorrow. And Wednesday, there could be a few isolated showers later this week, but probably not many. Here we go. This is the upper air look, and it's the same old song and dance. We have that strong upper air high anchored across the southeastern states, a trough back in the northwest. And it's a hot May day. Montgomery up to 91. Birmingham at 88. We're expecting most locations to hit the low 90s before the day is over, and similar heat can be expected for the rest of this week. There's the watch warning map. Got a flash flood watch for a few counties in southeastern Texas, and a tornado watch for parts of western Kansas, eastern Colorado, southern Nebraska. Otherwise, things are quiet. Strong to severe storms possible through tonight from the western tip of Texas up into the western Great Lakes. Tomorrow, a marginal risk in the same zone. And day 3, which is Wednesday, got a slight risk of severe storms over Nebraska in some of the adjacent states. We also note a marginal risk over much of the northeast United States. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Heavier rains out across the country's midsection. For Alabama, just not a lot. Again, we'll introduce the chance of isolated showers late this weekend over the weekend, mainly for the northern half of the state, but even there, rain amounts will be light and spotty. The southern part of the state, including the Gulf Coast, will likely stay dry for the next 7 days. And the tropics, all is quiet across the Atlantic basin. We are now about a week away from the beginning of the hurricane season. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. 588 Ridge for the southeastern states, troughing for the northern plains and back in the northwest. And for us, another sunny, hot day. Highs low 90s in most spots. Wednesday, highs again 90 to 93. Evidence there could be a few showers just north and west of the state. And Thursday, we'll introduce the chance of a few widely scattered afternoon showers, but the odds of any one spot getting wet, only about 1 in 8. Highs around 90 with a partly sunny sky. Same thing Friday, and that's going to be the story for the weekend. This is Saturday and this is Sunday. Obviously, most of the state will be dry for the weekend and hot, with a few isolated, widely scattered showers and storms during the peak of the daytime heating process. Highs for the weekend, I'd say upper 80s as the upper high weakens a bit. And Monday of next week, got a flat ridge in place, and again, evidence of a few isolated showers. Partly sunny for Memorial Day with highs in the upper 80s. We'll go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, June 3rd. And again, there's evidence in the American model of a pattern shift, with the ridge moving to the western states and a trough moving into the east, and the European beginning to catch on to the idea. It's got a ridge in the west and developing trough in the east, and so that should open the door for a better chance of showers and thunderstorms toward the latter half of next week, along with a trend toward heat levels coming down. And let's take a look at rain for Birmingham. This is off the GFS ensemble, valid between now and the 8th of June. The mean about 1.5 inches. Temperatures low 90s through Friday, then highs in the upper 80s on most days into the middle of next week. And hot off the presses, the brand new CPC outlook. This is for June 1st through June 7th. And if this verifies, temperatures here would be right at average values. That's it for the Weather Extreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third-grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Zee of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at SpanBook, with 2 N's, SpanBook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.